Hi, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. We are at 2916 I Street in Washougal. We've gained access through the sewer line through a 4-inch clean out located at the property line. We just cleared the roots out of the line, and now we're going to push to the city main and make sure that we've got all the roots cleared. There's a little bit of standing water in the line. We don't have access to the house to run water. I'm going to try to clean my lens off with it, but this is just from the residual roots that we cut. We're in the city main now. I'm going to clean my lens off, and we'll get a better view as I pull the camera back. A little bit of standing water here, and it's just from the chewed up roots that'll get washed down the line with water usage. Alright, this completes our video inspection. We've got all the roots out, and we'll do a root treatment on it to stop the root regrowth. And other than that, it's good to go.